Hello friends, welcome to Dragon e-commerce YouTube channel. Here I am 𝐷𝗵𝗏 and today we will discuss that how we can contact Amazon brand support team. See, later we discussed about that how we can contact simple Amazon team from this help tab. As I told you all steps that how you can open a case with Amazon team to solve your issues. But now we will discuss that how we can contact Amazon brand support team. When we will register our brand with Amazon, then we will need to contact for Amazon brand issues, brand related registry related issues to Amazon brand support team, not with Amazon seller support team. Okay, keep in mind. Okay, let's proceed. You will go to menu. This is for only those sellers who have brand registry with Amazon and who have trademark registered with Amazon Seller Central. So you will go to the tab of brands, and from here you will just click on brand dashboard or build your brand. Definitely you will see the tab of build your brand, and then you will just click on view register brands. And when you will click on this, you will see this page. If you have already enrolled in a brand, your brand will appear just right here, just like this. But if you don't have the brand registry yet, then you will never see this here. You will just click see here, enroll in a brand registry. And one more thing, keep in mind, you can register multiple brands, multiple trademarks on single Amazon Seller Central. So we are going to discuss that how we can open a case with Amazon brand support team. You will just click, we'll need to click here, open a case, and from here you can proceed with Amazon brand support team. You just have to write down your issue here, and Amazon brand support team will respond to you. For example, I'm facing hello team Amazon, hope you are doing great, and full stop. And then here you have to write your problem. For example, I'm facing approval issue, then I will just write here, I am facing issue in my Amazon registry, full stop, or any issue that you have, you can write here. Just click on continue, and scroll down and just write here. You can just write here the short description about your issue, or you can just leave this same as it is. It will never create any impact on your case. As I have told you already, from here you can write down your phone number here, and you can schedule call with Amazon support team, brand support team, sorry. And you can also click on call me now, and here from you have to select the country. Okay, and the second option is you can proceed with the email. You have to write your email address here and your phone number here, and then you have to click on send. If your issue is urgent, then you can click on this box for the urgent attention. So this was the way that how you can contact Amazon brand support team. Keep in mind, contacting Amazon brand support team and contacting Amazon seller central support team are two different things. If you don't have the brand registry, then forget about this support team. You just need to contact Amazon seller central support team. But if you have the brand registry and you are facing any issues for the brand store or for the A+ content creation, you will need to contact Amazon brand support team from this step. As I told you, you have to follow these all steps. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, then subscribe the channel, and also